Hey everybody, welcome back to Flyin Miata. Today we're installing a set of the ND trunk poppers into our shop car Andy. Let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and go over the contents of the kit. It's fairly simple. We have our popper for the right side, our popper for the left side, a zip tie. For tools, we need a Phillips screwdriver and a small pair of pliers. To be able to differentiate which side goes where, one of them has an extra little clip that holds a zip tie. That is going to hold the wiring for the shark fin antenna, and that's going to be on your passenger side. So the one with the clip, passenger side. Let's go and get the driver's side mounted up. We're going to start by pulling out the screw that's pre-installed. There's 2 points where this mounts. There's the larger hole that's within the center of the spring. That is going to overlap on the trunk hinge pin. The screw threads is going to line up with this open hole here down below. The felt tab needs to be pointing toward the hinge. We'll get it lined up. The screw comes in from the outside. Get it started by hand, and we'll tighten it up with the screwdriver. It is normal for the spring to feel a little loose while it's fully open. The spring will be tightened up when the trunk is shut, so you won't have any nasty rattles. Now we're going to move on to the passenger side, which is a little different. We have this shark fin antenna wire that has a clip that's occupying the lower hole that we need. So small pair of pliers will pinch the tabs on the back side of the clip and pop it out. Same routine as before, we'll start by removing the screw, getting it located, positioned on that hinge pin first, and then getting the screw started. Again, making sure that the felt is pointing toward the trunk hinge. These little plastic clips do rotate a little bit. All right, one final step. If you'd like, you could go ahead and cut off or remove this clip. For now, we're gonna just leave it in place. We're gonna route the zip tie through that little bracket. Get the wire secured. Cut the end off. And that's it. It is completely normal for there to be a little bit more effort involved in getting the trunk lid shut, especially once you get it a little past the halfway point, and it takes a little more oomph to get it to latch. Not a big deal, but now the cool part. Let's go ahead and press our button. Voila. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please get in touch with us by giving us a call or shooting us an email. And of course, like and subscribe to these videos in Facebook and YouTube. We'll catch you later.